What are you doing?
Let me in. I've literally been staying here, for a long time. Just let me in.
I'm not letting you in. What?
I'm tired. Just let me come in the house.
Okay, then go home if you're tired.
What are you talking about?
If you're tired, go to your own home and sleep in your bed.
This is my house.
No, this is not your house.
This is a blue house.
No. Look again.
This is a blue house.
This is a gray house. Gray and blue are not the same.
Then where's my house?
2 doors down. Left side.